welcome back to another Crypto Dave video. So in today's video, as promised, I'm doing a complete overview of exactly what I'm invested in as of the 12th of June 2026. Now going forward, I might wrap these into the monthly kind of updates. So I might just have a table exactly what I'm invested in rather than what I've done over the last few updates of saying what I've moved in and out of. So just so you get a snapshot. So I might do a table going forward in the monthly update so I don't have to do these separate videos. But as promised, I said I would tell you exactly what I'm invested in. So as of the 12th of June, here's all my current positions. And this is for the four-year experiment, so just over 400k in total. So firstly, all my main net positions. So in Ledden, I have $273,000 worth of USDC. That's earning yield. And I also now have $44,000 worth of BTC. So my initial buy levels have triggered over the last few days. So I think it was $20,000 at 65, $20,000 at 62, and then the break of 60,000 has started my 20-week DCA. If you're interested in the whole kind of Bitcoin and Solana buying strategy, I did a separate video about that. I'll link that to the end of this or in the description below, so you can jump over to that and have a look at all the levels and the DCA and what I'm doing on that side of things. But basically, money's coming out of the growth account, USDC growth account, to buy Bitcoin. That will be going forward 4K a week for the next 20 weeks, and also when I trigger certain levels. And then over on Nexo, I have 6,000 USDC just earning yield as well. I'm going to do a full update video on Nexo. It's quite a expansive kind of platform. They offer quite a lot of different kind of functionality. I use their card. This is why I've got some USDC on that kind of platform. But it's a little bit confusing sometimes as to the best way of kind of using it. You can lock up funds for certain amounts to earn more yield. You can earn in their local token rather than in the native token to earn more yield. So I'll do a full update video on Nexo probably next month. Then moving over to Base, this is my DeFi positions on Base. Aave, 109,000 USDC providers collateral earning yield, and I borrowed against that. Initially it was 1 Bitcoin. It's down to about 0.86, I think it was, Bitcoin now. So I owe $54,000 worth of Bitcoin on that kind of leverage kind of position there. So this will be paid down as the market kind of goes down, hopefully in Q4 this year. And then I have two LP positions at the moment. So I've got 10k in SnuggleFi. This is a platform that I've been testing fairly recently. I'm going to do an overview of this. So once these experiments have run, I'll give you the results of those. And also similar thing, 10k in VFAT. I did a DCA into to buy DCA news in liquidity pools video fairly recently, a little experiment. I'm doing another experiment on there. So 10k in VFAT, 10k in SnuggleFi in liquidity positions on those platforms. And then over on Solana, I currently have $10,000 USDC in a perpetual short position. I closed out my larger sort of 45k short position last week when we hit those kind of lows. I think they took 17.7 thousand profit out of that. That's why there's so much currently in the wallet. I have limit orders set up, so I anticipate us moving sort of sideways, maybe upwards over the next 2 to 3 months before that next leg down. So I'm rebuilding essentially a short position in Solana. So I've taken profits and I'm rebuilding the position. So I have a load of limit orders at various kind of levels on Solana, and I'm going to build up this position. So money will be going from the wallet here, 32,000 in the wallet, over into this short position as it builds. And then once I'm happy with the size of the entries of that kind of position, I'll probably put whatever's left into Camino. And I've currently got $5,000 in Camino, just earning a small amount of yield. So that's it. Fairly simple. 2 centralized finance, Ledden and Nexo. Some stuff on Base network, largely in Aave, but also a couple of experiments running with LP pools, and then in Solana, Jupiter, Camino, and then just some excess that's held in my wallet. So that's exactly how I'm invested as of the 12th of June 2026. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If it's not clear, or if you'd like more in-depth information, I'll try and wrap those into the monthly updates. So I'm going to try and condense this information, put it in the monthly updates going forward, so don't have to do these separate videos. But thanks very much for watching. As always, I hope you're all doing well. If you can give me a like or a thumbs up, that would be fantastic. Not many of you are subscribed, so if you're interested in DeFi and crypto in general, consider subscribing. That would be fantastic. As I said, hope you're all doing well. Have a great day. Hopefully I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.